Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we will discuss some of the exercise which is left in our workbook. From that, your first number exercise is here front view, side view and the top view of the objects are shown below and draw the missing view in the empty space. First is a view of a cattle. Side view and the top view of the cattle has been given and you have to draw the front view. I think I will leave it on you and try to do it. Imagine yourself and draw the front view of the cattle yourself. Second number is the image of a shoe where front view and the side view has already given, and I thought top view would be look like this. I have already drawn. Then next is a front view of the house, top view and the side view. This is the side view. Narrow rectangular part of the house is the side view of the house. Next is a glass filled with something, right? So this is the front view and the side view and the top view. From the top view you will find out a square kind of thing, and where you put the glass. The glass should be, and there is something which is filled water or anything else. Okay, so this way you will draw the top view of the glass. Maybe you will get the little bit thicker border. Fine, like this. Okay, next exercise number 2. Draw the Rangoli as shown below using the dots of the dot grid. Draw another Rangoli and color them. Whatever the Rangolis are given here, you have to draw them here in the dot grid, and other than that you can also draw other Rangoli pattern which is not given here as well. Okay, and color it. It is a very fun learning part. I think you would love it. See, I have made 2 of the Rangoli and I have already showed this thing in a live lecture, right? So you can draw it yourself. It is super easy. I'm going to show you the one number where you need how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I need a 5 dots, and horizontally I 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Fine. And here 1 and 2 dots are leaving. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I'm going to draw a circle over here. Then yeah, see, I'm not using scale, so my line is not as perfect. Fine, I'm going to draw this. Then yes, and see, I have done the shape. Okay, so this way, similarly this way you can also finish the different shapes. On the next page, question number 3, which is draw the object using the dots of a dot grid given below. Here the jug has already done. You have to draw the tree, ice cream cone I have done, sun, railway train. I have drawn the one dabba of the train, and another railway bogies you have to draw yourself, and aeroplane. So please use your mind, try to do some Google and find out the different shape how you will draw on the dot grid paper. Okay, so I have done 2 objects for you. You will draw the another object yourself. Now question number 4, which is complete the shapes to make triangles, squares and rectangles. See, I have shown you, you have seen during the live lecture there are different kind of shapes, right, which we have completed already. And now this is a rectangle again, but this is not a rectangle, it's a square. Make sure while you are drawing the rangoli pattern or any other pattern on the dot grid line, you should use the scale use करके ही आपको ये करना है. On the next page, question number say 5, draw the mirror half of the following pictures. Here you will also draw the picture using the scale, okay, where you are needed. For example, this is a house, right? See, I'm not using scale, so it is not that. Just मेजर कर लो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज अ 1.5 सेंटीमीटर, तो यहाँ पे भी 1.5 सेंटीमीटर ही होना चाहिए. सो दिस वे you can use the scale and find out the proportion easily. For example, this is a tree and this way, okay, this is a so same thing, and just draw the squares. Okay, so this way you will draw the mirror halves. Mirror halves means two equal half, equal होने चाहिए दोनों पे दोनों. Fine. So you can draw this, this, this and this yourself. It will be your fun activity. It's just you will feel like this is a drawing period or what. Okay. Now number 6, draw a dotted line to divide each picture given below into two similar mirror halves. Put cross below the picture that does not show symmetry. The picture which shows the symmetry, where you will draw the dotted line, and the picture which does not show any of the symmetry, where you will put a cross. So here number A, can you see the vertical dotted line? Yes. So it shows, after drawing this we can say that it makes the two equal mirror halves of letter A. In number 3, if you are drawing the horizontal dotted line, then you will get the two mirror half of letter 3. Okay, if you are drawing the vertical mirror dotted line, then you will not get the mirror half. Same way for H, letter H, you can draw the vertical as well as the horizontal dotted line. Then you will get the mirror half. देखो आप उसको ना यहाँ पे you can also find out you are doing correct or not by using the mirror. Just put the mirror this here and you will get an idea your dotted line is at correct place or not. Fine. So same thing we did with the letter T, where we will draw the vertical dotted line. If I am going to draw the horizontal, then it will not gonna work out, as this part will not be reflected on the other side. So where there it has only the one dotted line which is vertical, which makes two mirror halves. Okay, same thing for this figure. Here also you will get the only vertical mirror half, not the horizontal, right? Why? Because while you are drawing the horizontal, this part will not be reflected on other side, so it is not possible. Here is a refrigerator. You will not get the mirror half of this because there are some symbols here and there which will not reflected on the other side if you are doing it vertical, drawing the vertical line or horizontal dotted line. Same thing with this object. you will not get reflect the other part on the other side, so it doesn't show the symmetry. Now this is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 sorry, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So it is an octagon where you will get vertical dotted line, the horizontal dotted line, even the slanting. Okay, so this shows the symmetry or symmetry in any of the line. So this object shows the symmetry. Yes, in the sun, look at the next picture. In this sun, if you are drawing the vertical dotted line which is passed through the glares, okay, so you will get the two equal mirror halves. Next is a hammer, where you will not get the mirror half. Next is this, then you will not get the mirror half. This is the saw, you will not get the mirror halves. But in star, yes, of course, then you will get the mirror halves in any way. While you are drawing the vertical dotted line from this side, you everywhere you will get the mirror half. But make sure the one corner should be and with this corner, then it makes two equal half of the object. I think cap, you will get the mirror half. Yes, in this arrow picture, you will get the mirror halves by drawing the vertical dotted line. If you are drawing the horizontal dotted line, same thing. This arrow part will not reflected at the tail. So, it doesn't causes any symmetry. So, while you are drawing the vertical dotted line, it pauses the symmetry. Then number 1, here number 1, see here, if you are drawing the horizontal dotted line, it not showing this symmetry in this. And even though if you are drawing the vertical line, then it will not. So you are here, you are putting the cross. Now we will move to the next exercise. I think it's over. So this is it for this session. Before we'll moving to a next thing, I must say, wherever there is an instruction for each and every student, wherever I will write down homework and do it in a workbook, and the page number is also mentioned, that means you have to fill up everything in a workbook. And make sure, see, this next time, this this and this, these pages are in the homework. I told you orally these pages are in homework, and I have already written this instruction on the top of the page with the page number that you have to finish in your workbooks. Okay, so don't get confused. I told you orally, and you will get the written instruction whenever your chance for uploading the homework. And till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Till that, goodbye.